How to download Alternate Watch. So if you want to download Alternate Watch, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and you need to search for Alternate Watch download. And here you will have a lot of websites that will allow you to download the Alternate Watch. So you can simply go with any one of these options. So I'll click on this one. Once you're here you will have the download now option. You just need to simply click on download now and it will start the downloading process. Before that, you need to select Windows section. If you are using your Windows, you can go with Windows and then you can go with download now, which is right here. Or if that doesn't work, then you can also go with other websites. And here you will have the download option. You just need to simply click on download and it will start the downloading process. And on the top right, you will have your downloads section, or you can also go with the three dots. And here you will have the downloads. You can go with the downloads and here you will have the file. You can double click on the file and you'll be able to install it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.